Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a Japanese yukata with a men's shirt. Alright, it was like this before. I just think this pattern might look good with Japanese yukata, so yeah, let's try it. Alright, first of all, Japanese yukata is like squares and square thing. There's no curve on it, so I'm just gonna go for it. Trim this shirt a bit from the bottom to the sides. And the armpit part. I'll just change every curve stitch part into straight. And because it was a men's shirt, so I'm gonna small the size a bit by cutting out 1 inch each side. And then let's do the same thing on the other side. Alright, now we are going to cut the center part. For yukata, we don't need buttons, so let's cut them out. I'm just gonna use the laziest and easiest way, which is grab the middle part of both sides so that we can cut both sides at the same time. Pretty much these are the shapes what we need now. And now we're gonna do one more extra move, which is remove the pocket. And then we are ready to go. And now what we're gonna do, just assembling them together. Let's start from the center. And then pin the sleeve face to the body and sew them together from the back side. Oh, and I trimmed the sleeves as well, so now we're gonna close the edge. Ta-da! Alright, I've tried it on and I think it's kind of too long for my small body, so I'm gonna trim the length a bit. Oh yeah, and we still gonna do the last stitch to close it. Yay! Done! Do you like my modern yukata? If you like this video, please click like and subscribe me. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.